Oh, Grenada, Grenada, here I come, sweet, sweet Grenada. I will never, ever, ever let you down. Oh no, I'll always be your soul.
It is with overwhelming pride and joy that I extend Independence Anniversary greetings to nationals living in Canada, the United States, and other parts of the Grenada diaspora. On this, our 44th anniversary of independence, Grenadians at home and abroad are celebrating under the theme, One People, One Country, Our Responsibility. On February 7th, 1974, the father of independence, the late Sir Eric Matthew Gary, through the attainment of independence for Tri-Island State of Grenada, Carriacou, and Petite Martinique, began the process of forging greater unity among our nationals as one people. It is now up to us to carry that mandate forward and to do so with collective responsibility to our country. For me, there can be no compromise on the question of national unity. I have boldly and repeatedly stated my commitment, and I reiterate it now on this anniversary of independence, to leave no stone unturned in bringing our nationals together, from north to south, from east to west, from country to tongue, and from this Tri-Island State to our diaspora communities. I am convinced that unity is absolutely essential for national development. I have seen it manifested firsthand, especially in the last 5 years. The unity forged through the social compact between the government, the trade union movement, the business community, the churches, civil society, and the non-governmental organizations was highly responsible for our country's positive economic growth, with an average growth of 5% for the last 5 years. It is that national unity and the sacrifices of our citizens that is responsible for government's ability to meet commitments to its workers, to drastically lower and to service the national debt, to move from a monthly deficit of millions to a monthly surplus, to lower unemployment and to help take care of our citizens' needs. I, therefore, must commend and salute our Grenadian family of all religions, cultures, and political persuasions, as well as friends of Grenada, for the seriousness with which we have been meeting our collective responsibility to our beloved nation. I have been able to pull together through the challenges, united in our purpose to ensure that Grenada, Carriacou, and Petite Martinique live up to its potential as an independent nation, taking care of its people. And on this 44th anniversary, I once again remind all nationals and friends in the diaspora that your importance to nation building and national development is invaluable. Hence, I express my own profound thanks to you in my individual capacity and as a fellow Grenadian who has had the privilege and honor to serve as the Prime Minister of this beautiful nation. I also extend a hearty thank you on behalf of the government and people of this beautiful nation as Grenada continues to shine on the regional and international stage. I am confident that the collective wisdom and unity of our people and the maturity of our democracy will ensure that we continue to move forward, stay in the course on this growth trajectory for the brighter future. My administration assures that for as long as we have the opportunity to serve and create opportunities for the Grenadian community, we'll do so with the utmost pride, patriotism, and commitment to duty. But as we have always said, and as we have seen, the ultimate responsibility for continued development of Grenada, Carriacou, and Petite Martinique lies in the hands of all our citizens, individually and collectively. On this, our 44th, let us strengthen our efforts and rededicate ourselves to the Grenadian project that has inspired us these 44 years and that has seen us through the toughest of times. Hard work, sacrifice, patriotism, peace, and the abiding sense of unity. Happy 44th anniversary of independence, Grenada, Carriacou, and Petite Martinique. We are forever one people, one country. I thank each and every one of you.
Oh, Grenada, Grenada, here I come, sweet, sweet Grenada. I will never, ever, ever let you down. Oh no.